Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a henna mask on my head, and I've never actually tried one of these before. The henna that I'm going to be using is by Nupur, and it has 9 herbs in it for silky and shiny hair. And here it is. It was a pack of 3 off Amazon for about $11 and some change. Depending on the thickness and the density and the length of your hair factors in how much of the powder you're going to use. My hair is not that long. My hair is slightly thick, so I only used about half of this bag, and I have the other half of the bag left. All you're going to need for this mask is a plastic bowl, the henna, some warm water, and a spoon. There will be no measuring for this mask. You're going to basically eyeball everything, gradually adding in water as needed and stirring it up until you get the right consistency that you want. I added my DIY oil to this mask also just for some added benefits and moisture. And once you get the consistency that you want, then it's time to apply it to your hair. If you want to, you can use gloves with this whole process, but I'm not going to do that. I feel like that's going to get in my way. Let me spritz my head with some, and I'm using hot water to spritz my hair because my hair is low porosity and my hair will not want to receive any of the product if I don't wet it first. And you want to apply this from your roots all the way down. So as you can see, it's doing its job, and I'm gonna apply a little extra to my ends because y'all know the ends out here are dry. And as you can see, it's doing a really good job defining my hair. Really good job, and my hair doesn't feel hard or anything. So I'm going to go ahead on with the rest of the application, and I'm gonna come back and show you how everything is coming along. This is my last section right here, and applying it to my scalp. My scalp does feel a little tingly, I'm gonna say. I did put extra right here at the top of my head because that part of my hair is funny, and I did put extra on my edges because my edges are thin and my hair is really defined. And I think I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about an hour. So I'm going to put a plastic bag on and let this sit. So this is my hair after I rinse out the treatment, and as you can see, my hair is super defined. I'm really impressed. Like, it's really soft too. It's not like hard and you know, strong feeling. It's super soft. So I would really recommend y'all trying this. Like, my hair feels so good. I haven't rinsed out this side yet, but I just wanted to do the first side just so y'all can see what it's looking like. And now I'm about to go in with some conditioner, shampoo, and then I'm going to deep condition my hair. So this is my hair after I rinsed out all of the deep conditioner, and my hair is really soft. It really enjoyed the treatment. And then after that, I went in with my go-to style, which is the braided bun. So that's it. That's all I have for this video. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and let me know down below if you're thinking about trying this treatment. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video.